This man wanted to see how his two dogs would react to different water depths in the pool. At first, the water was only 10 centimeters deep, and both dogs could easily run around. Then the water reached 20 centimeters. Now the little dog could only walk using its front legs, but the husky was unaffected. Now the owner increased the water to 50 centimeters. The little dog could no longer touch the ground and was swimming hard to stay afloat. Meanwhile, the husky was still able to walk easily. But when the water reached 80 centimeters, the husky also started floating, and now both were competing to see who could swim the fastest.